My name's Jayden. Okay, so my amazing mentor, her name's Emily too, and she works at Google as a software engineer, and she works on cameras. I think that's really cool. She got her computer science degree at Berkeley College, and some fun facts is that she loves baking and watching baking videos, and she likes reading, and she is from San Jose, California. Okay, my title of my project is Jade Magic Plant. I don't know why, but it just is. And you may be wondering, what in the world does this do? Well, my website shows what month it is and what plants you can plant in that month. And it doesn't go into specifics about each plant, but it shows some plants, like 4 plants. And every time the month changes, it will change the month and it will change the plants that are in that month. And I chose this because I love plants, and I wanted to kind of show that in coding. And I use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, so this picture is a picture of my coding. I use Replit, and this is the top part is the code that I use to make my to show the month, and there's also more code that's on the bottom of all this code that shows that also helps with showing the month that it is. And the top code is an array, and it shows and it's listing all the months that are, okay. The picture on the left shows another array at the top that shows all of the plants that I put in. It took me about, 4 hours to write all of the code for the plants, because I had to write all these little tiny pieces of code for each one. And under that code is more code that shows, it's so that you would have all the plants for each month in like a table, and then the one on the right is showing the code that I wrote to filter the plants for each month, Okay, so I love Magic because it was a really great opportunity for me to learn coding and what I really wanted to do. And then lessons I learned in Magic, I didn't just learn coding, I learned patience, because remember when we all started to learn HTML and CSS, it was hard, and so is learning JavaScript, so you have to be very patient. And I feel that we are, for women in STEM, I feel that there are more women in STEM, but we should really get more women in STEM because women rule the world, yay. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna look at my final product and then behind the scenes. Okay. So this is my final product. It's not that much, but when you look behind the scenes, it's a lot. Okay, thank you.